black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. So if you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time that I post a video. So let's get into it right away. Oh no. Ouch. It's stuck there in my hair. Don't cut your hair, don't cut your hair! A simple yet glamorous look. I think I'm gonna be using 2 colors today. I think it's gonna be a nice thing to do, so going into the yellow and black. And for today's look, we will go into the James Charles palette because, I mean, like, I don't want to use a conspiracy palette yellow. It's pretty bad. And we're gonna go into 2 colors, maybe a little bit more, we'll see. But like this B, this is called B, and this shade is Spooky right here as well. So those are gonna be the 2 main shadows that we will be applying on my lids. And if you want to know which primer I use, which brow products, and what base that I use, everything is gonna be linked in the description box down below. And also don't forget to subscribe and to follow me on my Instagram. And we are getting so close to 1,000 subscribers. I'm really thankful for all of this. Also, I want to point out there's going to be a giveaway on my YouTube channel and Instagram when we reach 1,000 subscribers and 1,000 followers on my Instagram. So both of them has to be 1,000 so to be eligible for the giveaway. I'm gonna be taking a Packer brush, which is the brush GS11. I don't know if you like me telling you which brushes that I use, but I think it's pretty nice. I think I'm gonna go straight up into the shade B, which is that yellow shade. What I'm gonna do is you want to put your base with no creases, and then you just apply that yellow shade, which is really pigmented. I like that shade. Only thing though is with the heat of your skin, that shade becomes a little bit darker on your skin. So as you can see, it does become darker. So you really have to pack it on to have the ultimate effect of the yellow. If you want to have a 2-tone makeup look, this is the perfect makeup tutorial for you. I mean, it's gonna be pretty simple. I just like the idea of having a really bright shade light with a really dark shade, so it contrasts the makeup look and it makes your eyes really pop. And then you can create a shape with that shade, you know, like you place it and you round it as well. And if you have hooded eyes, make sure to really open up your eye completely when you do your makeup look, because my eyes droops. They droop down. Alright, so that's what it looks like for one side. It's really easy and simple. It packs on really beautifully, and it's not too hard to place, so it doesn't move everywhere. So you see I can create like a nice line with only the brush, you know, the eyeshadow brush, and it's really nice. Let's do the other side now. Do you like the yellow eyeshadow on me? I feel like it's so weird. And we're doing this look for the bees because the bees are going extinct. And we need them. Like, we need them every single day. And, like, if you want your food, we need them. Alright, so now that the yellow shade is placed, we'll take the shade Spooky. And I think we're going to take something really precise, and we're going to apply it. Then we're going to blend it into here. And what's good about this palette is I always return to that palette because the shades are really pigmented and for the price, and there's literally every single shade, and I love James Charles. So his new show is so amazing. Like, oh my god, did you see his show? I mean, you have to go watch it. I would die to go on his show. I would love it. As always, there's always going to be a side that you like more than the others. Don't worry about that. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to start to blend. So I'm going to blend with the same brush as precise as I can, because I don't want to smudge it everywhere. And if you want, you can take like a small fluffy brush, like a pencil brush, which I think is going to be easier because there's nothing on it, and it's going to distribute the pigment very easily everywhere. So this brush is GS13, if you were wondering. And we will just blend this softly. And you have to make sure you make it high enough so when you open your eyes, you still have like a beautiful smoky liner. Of course, it's never gonna be really perfect. With those hooded eyes, sometimes I'm more tired. Sometimes the eyes want to be, you know, higher. Sometimes they want to be lower. It's totally normal and you have to work with them. We're gonna take two shades, which one is gonna be So Good and the other one is gonna be Ring Light. Shade So Good, it's like more of a golden tone and we're gonna apply it right here at the top. So it's gonna make something really cute. With a precise brush, so you can take whatever you want as a precise brush. I'm just using this paint brush actually, and I'll apply the shade Ring Light just on top under my brow bone to highlight everything, and it's gonna be super cute. Let's remove this tape. Ooh, so sharp and satisfying. Go do my base off camera and I'll be right back, just because I know that you saw it a lot and everything is gonna be listed down below, so don't worry about that. You can go check the products that I'm using. So I'll be right back. So my foundation and the concealers and everything is pretty much done. It's nice, but we're gonna do some bronzing and contour later on with powder. Of course, I placed a little bit with the concealer from Morphe. I thought it would be better to do this, and I wanted to do my concealer and contour before my foundation, but I was like living myself a little bit too much and I forgot about it. So, and there's no rules to makeup, you can just do whatever you want. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna be applying the yellow, so the shade B here in the inner corner, and I'm gonna be applying the black, which is the shade Spooky, in the outer corner of my face. Let's apply this shade, and since my under eyes are you know, set, it's time for this. And I don't want to be shy with the shade. I want to go in. It's the time to play with bold shades. We stay inside. So if you don't want to go out with this shade, you can stay inside. And then afterwards, you can just clean it up. And nobody's ever going to see you with it. And I think it's sickening. So even though I go a little bit overboard with the yellow, I'm going to be putting a highlight right in the corner. So I am not too worried about this. So I'm going to go back with the same brush that I used for the black Spooky. And this is a paintbrush. I received my brushes and I'm going to show you them in a video, which is going to be coming. So don't worry about that. I'm excited for you to see it. Yes. And you're like, what's the point of lining it if you're putting some shadows on top? It's to create an illusion of sharpness. You know, sometimes when you do it by hand, it's not gonna be as beautiful as you would want it to be. Because this is, oops! Oh God, no! I look like I have a black eye under my eye. Okay, a trick is to put back the yellow eyeshadow. I think this is enough. I put enough color in my face, and I'm gonna try to fix this black spot that I did on my face. Yay! I did this to myself. Sometimes this happens, and I have to be careful because I literally have black and yellow everywhere. Fix it! Okay, it's better. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna be continuing my face, and I still have to think about which color I'm gonna be putting on my lips. So should I go with a nude lip? Should I go with a colorful lip? Should I do like something bold and beautiful? I don't know. But for now, do the face and everything. I want to do the lashes. I want to do the waterline as well. So I'm gonna go with the NYX white liner. For my waterline, I'm gonna do this before I do the, I don't know how to talk today. Anyways, that's like literally every day because my eye looks a little bare right now. And then for my top lashes, I'm gonna be taking the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara because I don't really need that much volume. I'm gonna be putting some falsies, and this is just to remove the yellow pigment from my lashes. Alright, so let's continue the face. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be bronzing up the face or contouring with the finishing powder from Morphe. And my hand is so dirty. I never do that, but I feel like my contour right now is a little bit low, so I can cut it like this. I don't like sharp contour, but that's what we're gonna go for today. It's gonna be a little bit different. like I can say. So we're gonna go into the Marcel blush to really round up everything, and I think I'm gonna be putting also the NYX Sweet Cheeks, which is this one. So these two blushes I like to mix and match because the Marcel one is not really that pigmented, and this one, well, it's cute. Look crazy, not blended or anything. This blush is very hard to blend, so if you buy this blush, keep that in mind, but you can blend it with something else, like another blush, for example, or some contour. So put that first if you don't want to, you know, mix it or anything. But what we're going to do now is I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics loose highlighter in Extra, and I'm going to be applying it all over my face because we need the highlight everywhere. So I think I'm going to be going into the MAC lip pencil. It's a lip pencil. It's not a lip liner from MAC. It is the Boldly Bare. So this is literally my favorite. I'm using it for every single shade that I have in my collection. I use it most of the time for like a guide, or if it's a liquid lipstick with a nice applicator, I don't use lip liners at all. So, but this, I like it. You better work, lip liner. So I'm gonna go with my best shade from MAC Cosmetics. It is the shade Reverence. So I really like this shade. It's beautiful, and it's one of the perfect nudes for me. I chose it myself because the other one that the lady recommended was way too dark for me. I like an ombre look, so. And my lips are so cracked for some reason. It's really, really annoying. But that's what it is. So let me put some setting spray from Morphe. And then I'll go put my lashes and I'll be right back. Right, so my lashes are applied, and I think it really completes the look. I think it's so cool. I like it so much. Oh my god. Anyway, what do you think down below? Do you like this combination of black and yellow, or you prefer something more neutral, or other colors in general? But that is the final look, so I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you like the makeup tutorial that I did. It's really fun to play with colors. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment down below, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to see more of those awesome videos. So I post 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday, and if you don't want to miss any video, don't forget to, again, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time that I post a video. So I really love you, beauties, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.